Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to recreate images or pictures with ChatGPT. I'm using the free version, so I don't have that much options to attack files here in the chat. So if you can see, I need to upgrade to plus, but I will show you an example that I just did. All right, first of all, we need to go to GPTs. And then what I like to do is I like to use the Image Generator Pro, because that one helps me out with very much questions. Then from here, we click on Start Chat. And then we are here in the chat, and then we can literally ask everything that we need. But right now, if you can see, if I want to attack some files, we need to wait for 26 minutes. So I will show you an example that I did, but I did it with my Dutch language. I was asking ChatGPT, can you make this red arrow for me and create the background as a PNG? If you can see, there were standing a little text signs here in this arrow, but right now if I scroll down, you see right here that he recreated this picture right here in a PNG file, and it's sharper than it was here in this picture. So you can ask literally everything to recreate or to change something in this chat right here with the Image Generator Pro GPT. So this is a feature, guys, that can seriously help you out with so much stuff. So please try this, please play with the prompts, and trust me, I will help you and save you so many hours of work. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for